Have you ever looked at a table and thought, I wish I could just filter out the noise and get exactly what I need? Well, with custom filters and Ninja tables, you can do just that. Whether you're dealing with products, users, tasks, or anything else, you can create intuitive filter options that help you or your users narrow down the exact data they're looking for instantly. No complicated logic, no coding, just simple, smart filtering. Let me show you exactly how it works step by step. Alright, so here I am in the Ninja Tables dashboard, and I'm going to pick the table I want to apply filters to. I'll go with this table. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and click on this button at the right corner, which will take me to the table settings. Once the table opens up, I'll head over to the table configuration tab from the navigation bar here. Okay, as you can see here on the left, there's a section called Custom Filters. So let's go ahead and click on that. Nice, a new screen just appeared. All right, now we will go ahead and press on Add New Filter. Now we've got a pop-up window with a bunch of configuration options. Don't worry, it looks like a lot, but it's actually pretty straightforward. As easy as making a cup of tea, guys. Let's go through it. First up is the filter title. This is just the internal name for your filter, just so you can keep track. Below that is filter label. This is where you can give the filter a label that will show on the front end. If you don't need that, just leave it blank. Now comes the fun part, filter UI type. This is how your filter will look on the front end. If we press on this drop-down, here we can see radio buttons, checkboxes, date picker, date range, text input, number range, and even a reset filter button. You can select them as per your table needs. Every UI type has different settings though. Feel free to check them out as per your need. Let's keep it as it is for now. Now, as you can see, I have two options here. Manual data and dynamic data from table column. If I go with manual data for the value type, we can see these two fields, label and filter value. So here I'll manually enter the options I want users to see and select from. If I want to add more filter values, all I have to do is click the plus icon, and to remove any, click the minus. It's super simple and super convenient. Now, if we scroll a little, we can see the filter column section. This is where I select which column or columns the filter will apply to. I can pick one or even multiple columns if needed. If I choose dynamic data instead of manual though, a few more smart options appear. For instance, I can choose the target column. What this does is this tells Ninja tables which column to pull filter values automatically. There's also a checkbox called Parse Comma Separated Words. So if I have multiple tags or values in one cell separated by commas, Ninja table will treat them as individual filter values. Super handy. Next up, we've got Disable Automatic Filter Value Sorting. If I leave this unchecked, Ninja tables will sort the values for me. But if I want or need to control the order manually, I'll have to check this box. We can also see two more toggles. Enable multi-select if we want users to select multiple values. And then strict mode, which means the filter will look for an exact match rather than the partial values. Let me give you all a quick example. Suppose I have a numeric column like price or quantity, and I want users to filter by range. Here's what I'll do. I'll click Add New Filter and name it something like Price Range. And I'm going to set the value type to Manual. Now, I'm going to enter my labels and values like greater than 50, less than 100, or between 50 and 100. Now, I'll select the price column under filter columns. All right, let's go for this one. Okay, once I've set everything up the way I want, I'll scroll down and hit the update button. Now, let's check the table on the front end. Yup, it's working perfectly. I can now easily filter data and it updates in real time without reloading the page. How cool is that? And that's how easy it is to create powerful, fully custom filters in Ninja tables. This feature gives your users control, keeps your data clean, and makes navigating large tables feel effortless. Just a quick heads up. Custom filters are only available for default tables, not the drag and drop ones. If you want to dive in deeper into Ninja Tables features, we've got videos on everything from data types and styling to WooCommerce integration. And of course, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and leave a comment if you have any questions. We're always happy to help. Ninja Tables makes WordPress data management easy, intuitive, and fun. Go ahead and build something smart today. See you in the next video. Bye!